In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to install a skylight cover from SHAADS. We'll keep it short and sweet for you. Here's all the tools you'll need: a trusty old screwdriver and our custom bracket. First, you'll notice that 3 of the 4 metal brackets are already in place for our easy convenience. Now, let's join Cheryl and set up the 4th bracket. She turns the cover around and puts it in the middle of the opening, marking the center of the magnets on each side. With your 4 marks in place, Cheryl holds the bracket at the edge of the skylight opening, lining it up with the mark that she made earlier. Then, she makes another mark in the spot of the bracket's screw hole. This is where you'll attach the screw to secure the bracket to the wall. Once the screw is in, you've completed the hardware installation for your SHAADS skylight cover. It's that easy. Now all that's left is to attach your skylight cover and you're done. We hope you found this installation process to be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you back for more helpful content in the future. Thank you all.